So the downfalls of a one-stall garage is trying to fit a golf cart and a vehicle in here. And as you can see, don't have quite enough room here. So unfortunately the handmade workbench is gonna have to go. I need something better anyway, but for this winter I'm doing some work on the golf cart, so I need it here and not at the campground. So I gotta make this work. Alright guys, it is that time again for another one-off video. Not sure if you guys like these or not, but it is what it is. Wintertime here in Michigan. We brought the golf cart home after we closed down the season at the campground because the parking brake isn't working. So I figured I'd fix that, and then when we closed down the camper we kind of raged it a little too hard and took a little jump and blew out the back shocks. So we got to replace those too. And I kind of wanted to get it painted. So here it is currently. She is tore down quite a bit. And it's dirty. I mean, it is dirty from the campground. So I'm going to clean her up real nice too. But I'm going to try and see if Alan can't. Little Alan can't clean these shocks.
Hi.
Or take them off and replace them himself. So that's what we're going to try and do. And I have boxes of goodies here. Mainly just replacement parts though. So nothing too fancy. Alright, we're going to see if he can do it. He's got the 1/2-inch impact.
Wait.
So you're going to put it on this bolt when we're ready.
What bolt? That bolt?
That bolt right there. This guy right here.
Oh, okay.
So don't pull the trigger, but put it down there. We'll line it up here. When you're ready, hold on to it.
Ready?
Yeah. Stop. If it comes off the bolt, you got to stop it, okay? Or else you ruin the nut.
Here.
Holy moly. Yeah, that worked.
Ghostbusters! More like bolt busters.
Okay. Now we got to get that bottom one, but we got to get it from the back side. Alright. He's doing his first major work. We just jacked up the rear end and then going to pull that shock out. Go ahead, bud. Pull that shock right out of there. Yep.
I can't pull it.
Straight up. Because it's got to come out of there. See? So pull it straight up.
That means you straight up.
Wiggle it.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
See? Back and forth like that. There you go.
I'm doing the next one.
One down. Should we put the new one in there a minute?
Nah.
Well, we should while it's jacked up. Okay. So this thing, somebody backed into something.
Ew, look at my
Because that bar is bent. Yeah, that's what happens. Alright, we're going to put the new one in. Here, hold the camera. I guess I should have checked them first. There.
Ooh, it's not dirty like the
Brand
other
new.
one.
Brand new. Now we're going to put these bad boys in.
Cool. I don't think we're same size.
They are.
Oh, they are, yeah.
See?
Yeah, okay.
There. So that one started.
Now we need to finish that.
And then what we do is
How
we're
do
going to
we
come
do-
down. I'm going to come down on the jack just enough till this lines up. Then I'm going to stop it.
Okay.
Which is going to be harder than it sounds.
I'll tell you when it stopped.
Oh! See? Oh! Okay. Let's just go up. Oh,
There.
look at that. Money.
Okay.
Not money.
Cobwebs.
Not money. Back down.
Okay. Too much.
Right there.
Oh, never mind.
Right? Right there.
Yeah.
And we'll do that. And then you can hit her with the impact again, right?
Yeah, but you gotta hold the camera.
Yes. So let's do the bottom one first.
Okay. I gotta use this one.
So push that button in there.
And
then pull that socket off.
Button off.
There you go. Yep. Put it on the big guy, and then we'll use that in a minute.
Is this good?
Now, here. You want it over here, though. Because once it tightens all the way, it's going to yank your hand that way.
So I want it...
Over here. Hold it with 2 hands.
Ready?
2 hands. Other hand down. Move the other hand down.
Ready?
Further. Yep. Go ahead. Okay.
Ah, that felt warm. Oh, we're down to...
Alright. So actually, I forgot. After that, we're going to torque it down. But, okay. Alright, you ready? Grab that one. Grab that. Grab the impact.
Ready?
Make sure it's on there real good, and then push when you do it, okay? Oh, sorry, stop. We never reversed it. Put it on there, and then
Really tight?
before you start it,
I can't get it on.
now push. Yep. Now
Push
do it.
while I'm
Okay. Good.
ah,
Perfect.
stuck in there.
And then we're gonna torque this one down. Oh yeah. We'll get the wrench.
What does torque mean?
It means tighten it up really good. So now we're gonna take this, because the air ratchet doesn't tighten it up very good.
Okay.
There. Now they're good. Should be anyway. We'll find out next year, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And that torque,
Well,
that torque wrench is a beast.
Actually, this year.
Harbor Freight.
This year, Dad.
Yes, this year, you're right.
Well-
You ready for the other one?
Yeah, that was black too.
Yeah. Alright. Let's get stuff ready. I don't know if the socket's going to be able to get in there, so grab your breaker bar.
The wrench thing.
Yep, and try and get it on that nut right there, that bolt. Not enough room?
Nope, that thing's in the way.
Yeah, I see that.
Choo choo.
If you want me to take over, just let me know.
Okay. This is good muscle work, Dad.
It is.
Hey.
Whoops.
Told you. Now my turn.
Okay.
Every time it comes out, it's the other person.
No, it's on tighten. So you got to push that one in all the way. Got it?
Ready?
Turn this straight. Turn the bottom straight.
Ready?
Nope, it's not on there yet. It's not on there yet. Nope.
Whoops.
Okay.
Ready?
Now push. Perfect. Done. Done.
Ah, the bolt came off on it. I call getting the bolt.
Perfect. Now you gonna take the shock out?
Yeah.
Go ahead and pull it. Wiggle it and jiggle it out of there.
I'm taking this one out. You did the last one.
Perfect. Look at that.
Ah, there's a bolt
Nice.
in it.
Throw it on the floor.
You said throw it.
Alright, now hang on. Get it on there good. And then I'll get mine on this side.
Isn't that good?
Yep, remember push. Good. Yeah, once it starts clicking, you're good, bro.
Sorry. I'll go back to smashing this.
Tighten this one up and we'll be good.
Huh?
There.
I'm gonna smash this down.
There. Okay. Back down. Oh, I can already tell it's higher in the back. This thing was worn out. It's 11 years old, so. There. Step one. Brand new shocks.
It's only 11 years old.
Flat box. First time I used the 1/2-inch driver. Well, I didn't use it. He did. Alright, so it is a new day, and as you saw yesterday, we replaced the rear shocks, which were an issue. Now the main reason why we brought it home is the parking brake will not stay engaged. As you can see, it's pretty nasty down here, but your main mechanism right here keeps the parking brake down. This plate down here seems a little worn, but it could be a couple of things. It could be the spring back here for the parking brake. That plate's also worn, and the cable might have too much tension on it and needs to be adjusted, but it is absolutely seized. I've tried heating it up, soaking it and everything, and I cannot get that off, so we're gonna have to cut it off. And I got a replacement as well right here ready to go, so I think that's what we'll do first, is try and get that off. Okay, so we got the old cable out. We had to take the whole bracket out here in the back, but we'll swap that over to the new cable, which is right next to it. But like I said, it was locked up, and we had to use the trusty angle grinder here and cut the nuts off each side to get her out of there. So now that that's out, take the whole pedal assembly out. Just in case you were wondering, no, he is still working. He's gonna take one side, I'm gonna take the other. Maybe. Can't really do this one-handed.
I'm gonna switch in my hands.
Right now we got the pedal assembly out, finally. On the ground here, kinda in pieces. And the parking brake mechanism right there grips onto this plate here. And you can see how it's worn out.
Your fingers are like black.
I know, right there. So we're just gonna flip it. Flip it, Alan.
So.
See? Perfect side. We're just gonna flip it, and it was held on with rivets. Obviously, I don't have any rivets this big right now, so we're just gonna put it back on bolts. Alright, a quick update here. This was a absolute pain, but I had to get some rivets, 1/4-inch rivets actually, from Menards, which means, you know, your standard rivet gun doesn't take 1/4-inch. So I had to go buy this big old thing for 30 bucks, man, just for 2 rivets. And this whole big packet of rivets for 2. But anyway, I got the plate in. I got it turned around. It's got a nice edge on it now. It locks in place really good. So, you know, I got to put everything back together here. I did replace the parking brake spring and damper. Well, the damper slid back, so I'll have to adjust that, but almost ready to put this brake assembly back together. Alright, so I got it all cleaned up. Used a can of brake clean on the pedal assembly. Got the spring down there and the damper replaced. Hopefully everything went back together the way it was supposed to. And then I washed it up. Took it outside and sprayed it off. Just letting everything dry before I hook it back up. But still got to do the cable, the brake cable underneath. Alright, putting the brake pedal assembly back on.
It's good?
Yep. Okay. Good. Behind there, can you reach that one? Probably not.
This one here?
No, you can't reach it.
Which one?
We're gonna have to get a wrench for those. It is back together now. I got the new cable on there. Plugged everything back in. I let it dry overnight after washing it down because I soaked everything. It looks like the motor's water resistant. It's sealed up. But got all new parts in here, and I figured it was a little bit of everything. I don't know what fixed it, but everything that was a potential and worn out I replaced. But parking brake works great now. Perfect. As it should. So take it for a test drive. Put this plate back on here. Try to smash the electronics. Got the fender back on. Looks good. Looks good right now. Just probably gonna get the body painted, and then I'm gonna matte paint trim paint the pieces around it. So, alright, take it for a test spin. Now it is.
Hi. I'm going on a golf cart ride. I'm scared.
See, the parking brake works.
Why are you acting like a baby?
Well, I'm just pulling it out. Well, you got a handle over there.
Yeah, I know, Vroom, 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 vroom. Oh! Hey, you don't drive into the road. Oh my gosh. Let's drive around the block. Whoa! Whoa! This is faster. Open all the way. What are we doing? Oh, we're gonna die. Oh, no. We're gonna die. Oh, no. Oh, we're gonna crash. Car. There's a car now. What are we doing? Whoa, where are we going?
One more round. Alright. I think it works good, buddy.
Huh?
I think it works good. Alright, hit it.
That was so hard. No.
Alright.
Yeah, go.
Get up here, bud.
Sammy, come on.
Get up here.
Get up.
Come on.
Oh,
Editing this video and realized I did not shoot an outro for the 40 of you, maybe 43 of you who actually are going to finish this video. So, hope you enjoyed it. Later.
Seriously, this is my question. I found a penny. Well, Dad found it. We both found it, I should say. A penny under the park brake. It came out.
Oh yeah, there's a penny under the parking brake.